Hi everyone! Are you ready to stretch, move, and have fun? Let's do easy yoga together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.
See the fire, not the dark. When the world goes quiet, you're the spark. So stay in the light with me when the night gets loud and wild. If the demons come, we won't run, we'll just fly. Your love turns me to gold. I'm fearless by your side. Every broken part of me learns how to shine. We're growing, glowing. No more pretending. Love's the power we're holding. I was a ghost, I was alone. 어두워진 앞길 속에 given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was a queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Called a problem child, 'cause I got too old. But now that's how I'm getting paid. Good option on stage. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We're dreaming up, up, up. It's our moment, you know. Together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Up, up, with our voices, you wanna get just a woman. Gonna be golden. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Who are time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe. We're going up, up, up. It's our moment, you know. Together we're glowing. Gonna be golden. Up, up, with our voices, you wanna get just a woman. Gonna be golden. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Who are time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Gonna be golden. We're gonna be born to be. Born to be glowing. 밝게 빛나는 우린, you know that it's our time. No fears, no lies. That's who we're born to be. Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the truth of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I've broken to a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty and the progress. It's 'cause a part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I come and let the colors stuck inside my head?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.